Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to send GIFs in TikTok direct messages. So, first, open the TikTok app on your device. Now, tap on the inbox icon, located at the bottom of your screen. There you will see the notification and messages. From here tap on the direct message icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. It will take you to your friends list. Look for the user you want to send a GIF message to, and tap on it. Now you can see the smiley emoji icon, located on the right side of the message box. Tap on it. Once you tap on an emoji icon, a screen will appear from which you can send stickers, emojis, and GIFs. Now, tap on the GIF option. From there, you can choose any GIF you want to send your friend and tap on it. And, you will successfully send GIFs in TikTok direct messages. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to send GIFs in TikTok direct messages. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.